Yo, what is good, YouTube? It's your boy Hellcat, aka Tay, and I'm back again. Wait, I sound back again. I'm gonna say, hey, this is my first car POV, you know what I'm saying? It's going on my Morris Taste channel, bro. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to the Morris Taste channel if you haven't. You know what I'm saying? Y'all let me know if y'all fuck with it or not. But right now, we just cruising. We going 90, as you can currently see, and it's fucking traffic. As you can see, it's traffic. But yeah, man, we just cruising on 90 and shit. But ooh, look at that mopar. Look at that mopar. Yes, sir, skis. Yes, sir, skis. But yeah, bro, life been great. You know what I'm saying? I just got off work early. You know what I'm saying? As you can see, bro, we're you know what I'm saying? We're driving, bro. You know what I'm saying? I've been wanting to do one of these for a minute, as you can see, but I will wait until I got a phone with a 0.5, which I did. I ended up getting an iPhone 14. Oh shit! Brake check, brake check, brake check, brake check. Trying to brake check me. Hold on. Come on, bitch. Oh, is it traffic? Might be traffic. Oh shit! Might be traffic. Y'all let me know. Y'all let me know if y'all like the POVs. Well, we're gonna see it on my second channel. We're gonna see if y'all like it or not. God damn, my arm tired. I don't see how the fuck they can do this shit live. Gotta get me a half mount, some shit, but yeah, bro. Damn. Rubber tires every fucking where and shit. God damn. Hey, yo, we're just cruising right now. Ooh, what's that? A BMW X3 SUV? Might be the thumbnail. I don't think that mopar gonna be my thumbnail. Ooh, look at that right there. Look at that. Look at that right there. But I don't fucking like Nissan, so my car got hit by Nissan twice. Multiple times, and I don't like but shit. Bro, what the fuck? What the fuck? Did she put it said Ultima, but it said Adrian. I'm talking about, what the fuck? That shit is crazy as fuck. Damn. But y'all let me know. Y'all let me know if y'all like these car point of views, and I'm gonna start posting more on there. If this do good, then that's what my channel gonna be. If it don't do good, then I'm gonna just change it to a fashion channel, my second channel. You know what I'm saying? What we gonna see? God damn, granny van up here going slow. God damn. Come on, Grandpa. Oh, it's a nice Mercedes. I don't know what that is. I forgot what it was. I think it's an AMG for sure. Or I might be wrong. I don't know. God damn. Traffic fucking everywhere. But, oh shit. Yeah, man. I might start doing bring back car content onto this channel. God damn. Get another Mercedes. Damn, there's a lot of Mercedes out today, huh? God damn, look at all this traffic. All this fucking traffic. That's a wide body. Wide body Charger. But yeah, we just cruising right now on 83. Definitely gonna need some gas. As you can see, definitely gonna need some motherfucking gas. God damn. I think I'm definitely gonna use that Challenger as my motherfucking thumbnail. Cause, why not? Cause I don't see. What the fuck? They don't see a Mustang. We don't give a fuck about those. We don't give a fuck about those. Oh shit, 288. Well, y'all can't see that. And I can't zoom in because I can't. But you know. We just driving, we just cruising, but as you see, bruh. It's only 6 minutes. I really don't care how long this will be. Oh shit. Motherfuckers need to learn how to drive. You know what I'm saying? Damn, what the fuck? What the fuck? Big ass truck. What the fuck? I seen that Charlie. But yeah, man. Life is fucking amazing, bro. Y'all gotta learn to enjoy life. I want to say this, bro. Y'all getting the definition of motion wrong, twin. Y'all definitely getting the motion wrong, twin. Like, y'all gotta understand, bro. Definition of motion doesn't mean you just because you wearing designer and shit don't mean shit. And you spending all y'all money on designer and shit just look good. Happy you niggas ain't even got a car. Just saying. But I ain't here to talk shit, bash time. Get it how you living. You know what I'm saying? Do what you do what's best for you. You feel me? But me, I'm just living it up. Living my best life. Damn, both of y'all can't go slow. Hell no. Both of y'all can't go slow. There you go. Yeah, both of y'all can't go slow. God damn. I was just gonna say she was cute, but she is not cute. But hey, y'all let me know, bro. Feel like these car point of views. But we just right now we just in a fucking straight line, but y'all let me know. Actually, I'm a downshift for y'all real quick. Alright, hold on. When I get to the bridge, I'm a downshift for y'all. But yeah. Now hiring CDL for AutoZone. Boy, I would never work at a car department like that shit ever again, bro. Hell nah. Worked at O'Reilly, bad experience. Never again. Never again. Never ever again. Just saying. Alright, hold on, let me. Okay, we at one. We on first gear, as you can see. We on first gear. But yeah, tell us stop playing. Oh, I think that was a Raptor. Bro, my fucking arm hurts, bro. I don't see how the fuck they can keep doing this shit. Nigga, my fucking arm hurts, but you got the grounds you gotta get. I'm definitely getting a head mount for y'all. This ain't gonna lie. This shit not it. But I'm definitely trying to go scat. So if y'all do, y'all eventually gonna see that. If y'all help me out with this shit, I can go scat. You know, I can see scat, and then scat point of views, then scat point of views. You know what I'm saying? Cat point of views. You feel me? Ooh, hold on. Damn, it was going too fast. It was going too fast. But y'all let me know if y'all like these car point of views for show, and I will continue posting more. For show, for show. Hell is you doing? I'm not like that. I'm not. Oh, don't break, shake me, bitch. 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 Yeah. Come on, bitch. Come on. Look at that fucking limousines, bro. Shit is fucking crazy. But I've been seeing Mercedes for a minute. But I seen a cat last night when I was early this morning, like 3 o'clock in the morning, 4 o'clock in the morning type shit. Oh, that's definitely an AMG. I don't know what type of shit that was. I don't know if I got it, but it might be my thumbnail. But we gonna see how it does, you know what I'm saying? Of course, it ain't gonna do too good, but we gonna see. You know what I'm saying? It is obviously raining. Well, it was raining. But that shit is fucking crazy. Well, by the way, for some of y'all might be wondering what the fuck I got. I got a muffler delete and a resonator delete. Shit, what the fuck? I should've. Hey, bro, y'all see all this open field, bro? Look at all that. Look at all that open. All that open ass field, bro. We in a fucking country, bro. Like, oh, that's a nice ass house. You see, this little area. Like, look at that. Look at that. What the fuck? Yeah, bro. But y'all let me know. Is this what y'all like to see? Honda boys. I said Hyundai. That's what I got. Hyundai Sonata. But the Honda boys. But yeah, man, I hope y'all like this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, press the notification bells if you haven't. Let me know if y'all like this car point of view. Other than that, you know what I'm saying? I don't even know what to say, bro. Yeah, and it's your boy Morte back with another video. Nah, I'm playing. It's your boy Morte. Let me know if y'all like this car point of views. You know what I'm saying? Fuck, I don't know how I'm gonna end this, but I'm gonna end it like this. Fuck it. It's your boy Morte. And we out.